an Aryan elephant's bone, and the black cloud laughed for the...
Communication.
Wars of silver and crowds of blue and silk and...
A value scrambler, which is this module here, I'm patching in here and out here, and I'll turn to that process. What that does is divide the value region up into 8 separate value regions, and I have independent control out of each one of those value regions, so I'm going down now.
I was getting wind buzzing. Wind boom.
No. See, what I think is technically impossible is to use the airwaves like you use the telephone. I think that is impossible. Now, I'm saying use the airwaves like you use the telephone if the telephone also were capable of program distribution. That is to say, if you had a telephone through which you could do video phone like you do telephone, but also through which you could dial up programs to be distributed to you. I want to see this movie, I want this data, I want this report, I want that slide. Okay, now if that were telephone.
Individual thinking, and it's good to get in the avant-garde and find out what is happening, what's on the fringes of television as it continues to move forward.
What the vote is Riga was. I mean, who were the who were the 4 people from different parts of their experience, historical, entertainment,
And into this output module, and if I switch to the process signal, you see something like a codal processing step. Another primitive processing step is the
And since you can't,
not enough room.
Yeah, there's not enough room, and not only that, there's not enough spectrum. How, using the airwaves, could you specifically address a particular, message to a particular user? It doesn't make any difference. There's no way that 200 million people could send discrete and unique messages up to the satellite and then have the satellite process that and then reply to all those 200 million back down again discreetly to that person, no matter where they've gone. I mean, that's
exactly what it's all about.
I will try to explain a little bit. If you can't see, being it's a audio simultaneously being presented, audio video simultaneously being presented.
Was. I mean, who were the 4 people from different?
That black box in a wine barrel house sings.
Con los terroristas.
Gone where the skull-faced witch-men lean, there where the wild ghost gods had wailed.
The minute they crawled out of that crib and toddled over to the boob tube and with their chubby baby little tiny hands began turning dials, they learned how to tune and dial reality.